First we'll cut our fabric for covering our cup. Now you want to cut enough fabric so that lay your cup on the fabric so you have about 1 inch on the bottom hanging off. And then on the other side, you're going to be wrapping the cup with the fabric, and you want to leave about 6 or so inches on the top, or depending upon the size of your cup, about double the size of your cup. I'm just going to cut it off like that, making sure we have enough to wrap around the cup and have a little overlap. Okay, and just test it out here. That looks good. I'm going to just trim it a little bit to make it straight here on the top. Next, I want to turn down the edge, the top edge, and I'm going to just sew carefully. First, I'm going to press this. This fabric is not holding flat. I'll press it, and I'm going to sew just a simple in and out stitch along the top so that we can gather it later. So I've threaded my needle, and I'm just going to put my needles, just sew in and out in fairly large stitches all along the top, and this will become our gather line. You want to come down about 1/2 inch from the top, and in the end we'll gather that around the neck of the puppet. So pull it through, and I'm going to cut off my thread here from the needle, and then just put a knot on the end of this side. So I have a knot on one side and a knot on the other side, and then later we'll want to gather it up like this.